开始支持习近平主席所倡导的“一带一路”的倡议，给他们回了一封信，因为他们对他很友好。我还要提到的是，就是前几天和校友们继续为中肯的合作贡献力量。它寓意着我们的双边关系将会不断的攀登上新的高峰。我也相信。
For another great milestone of 60 years going ahead. This is a good opportunity for that to happen. I wish to acknowledge at the very outset that our partnership has been very strong. You are one of the first countries to recognize independence 60 years ago. And you have been very strong partners and infrastructure projects and other development programs that you have supported us are very, very key. And it is very clear that for a good future, for us and for the position,